Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on variant quantities in Shopify. Using the single variant quantity condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Here, we can see that the wooden spin product is tagged with the no free shipping tag. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the single variant quantity condition. So first, we'll search for single variant quantity in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, Select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Now you'll see two product selection options. Any products. If you select any products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when products matching the selected conditions are in the cart. After selecting this option, you can filter products by product, product tags, or collections. Now we select selected products, and here we choose product tags and enter tag no free shipping. When the no free shipping product is in the cart, this rule will be applied. Block if less than. The rule will trigger when the single variant quantity is lower than the set quantity. Block if more than. The rule will trigger when the single variant quantity is higher than the set quantity. For this example, we choose block if more than and set 3. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, maximum single variant order quantity is 3. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the no free shipping tagged product is in the cart, and one of the single variant quantities of that product is more than 3. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now, let's remove some beige variant and make less than 3 in the cart and check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!